Odors can serve as potent indicators of mold problems, often signifying decreased air quality. Many individuals are highly sensitive to these odors. Certain molds and fungi emit gases known as microbial volatile organic compounds. These gases are responsible for the musty, earthy, or moldy odors often associated with mold. Beyond their unpleasant smell, some of these gases have been found to irritate humans, contributing to a condition known as stick-building syndrome. Microbial VOCs can be detected in the air at very low levels, and their presence often indicates mold contamination. Exposure to these gases may lead to symptoms such as headaches, dizziness, fatigue, and nausea. To remove an odor, we first need to identify its source, so book an odor inspection and we will get rid of it. Contact Mold Busters for professional help and book a free virtual inspection at bustmold.com or through our app.